Hi, welcome to Sean's Kitchen. For this delicious recipe of this tomato curry, I'm now going to start this recipe by first taking a blender jar. To that, here I'm now going to add 1 chopped onion. Along with that, here I'm also going to add 2 chopped tomatoes, 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a cup of desiccated coconut powder, and lastly 1/4 cup of water. After adding all these ingredients, I'm now going to blend this into a paste. As you can see here, I've made all these ingredients into paste. I'm now going to keep this aside. After keeping the paste aside, here I'm then going to take a pan, and to that pan, here I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Along with that, here I'm also going to be adding 3 dry red chillies, 1 stick of curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, a pinch of asafetida powder or hing, and 3 chopped tomatoes. After adding all these ingredients, I'm now going to mix this well and fry this for a period of 3 minutes until the time the tomatoes have become nice and soft. After 3 minutes, here I'm then going to add the paste which we had made earlier. After adding the paste, I'm now going to mix this really well with the tomatoes for a period of 15 to 20 seconds. After mixing it well with the tomatoes, I'm now going to fry this for 2 minutes until the time the tomato blends well with the paste. After 2 minutes, here I'm going to add the spices, starting off with half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, and lastly 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm now going to mix all these ingredients and fry this for another 1 minute. After frying all of these ingredients for a minute, here I'm then going to add 2 cups of water, after adding the water, I'm now going to mix this really well with the tomatoes and the rest of the spices. After mixing it well, I'm now going to cover this with a lid and let it cook for 10 minutes on low flame. It is important for you to note that even though you've covered it with a lid, you should mix it from time to time so that no lumps are formed. After 10 minutes, here you can remove the lid and mix it really well. After mixing it well, here you can also add a handful of coriander leaves. After doing so, you can mix it once again and then switch off the flame and your dish is ready to be served. So I really hope you did like this recipe. If you did, please do subscribe to my channel by clicking on my channel logo which will just pop up on the top left of this video. Thank you so much.